Kung ako sa'yo, alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Breadwinner ka, director ka ng company, business owner ka, team leader ka, tatay ka, may mga anak ka, alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Kasi ikaw yung kapitan ng barko eh. Ikaw yung kapitan ng eroplano. Imagine mo, nasa runway ka na. Palipad na yung eroplano, puno yung Airbus na papaliparin mo. Ikaw yung kapitan. Sabay sinabi mo sa mic, "Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Just to let you know, I don't feel well. Hindi ako nakakain, hindi ako nakatulog, masama yung pakiramdam ko. Pero okay lang, papaliparin ko pa rin tong eroplano kahit alam ko na possibly nasa peligro yung buhay nyo." Kung ikaw yung passenger, anong mafe-feel mo? Do you feel safe? Do you feel na you can trust the pilot? Do you feel confident na dapat lumipad kayo? Hindi, di ba? If you are a breadwinner, team leader ka, C-level, you are the owner of the company or director, kapag ikaw ang tinamaan ng sakit, kapag ikaw tinamaan ng anxiety, depression, hindi okay yung physical and mental health mo, lahat ng tao na umaasa sa'yo, lahat sila maaapektuhan din, hindi lang ikaw, your family, your colleagues, the whole business. So please do yourself and everyone around you a favor. Please look after yourself. Eat healthy and eat on time. Get enough sleep. Mag-exercise. Prioritize your mental health too. If you need to go on a holiday, kailangan mo magbakasyon for a few days, for a few weeks, you have to do it. Kasi remember, maybe you know what's gonna happen to yourself kapag ikaw yung nagkasakit, but you don't know what's gonna happen to people around you kapag ikaw yung nawala. I know you love your work. I know you love your business. I know you love your family and people around you. But just a reminder, please love yourself as well. Okay, I love you guys. Peace.
Hello mga ka-healthy! Excited po ako today dahil mag-unboxing tayo ng isang napaka-special na PR kit para sa mga gustong i-level up ang kanilang kalusugan. Ito ang Dr. Vita Barley 60-Day Challenge PR Kit. Let's see what's inside this powerful package na makakatulong sa kalusugan mo in just 60 days. Una sa lahat, packaging pa lang. Premium na. Pero mas mahalaga ang laman nito. 3 pouch ng Dr. Vita Barley Powder. Napaka-perfect nito sa umaga, before or after breakfast. At convenient din inumin dahil ito ay taken sublingually o ilalagay lamang sa ilalim ng dila. Pinapaganda na nito ang iyong digestion, binuboost ang energy, at tumutulong i-normalize ang blood sugar. 3 bottles ng Dr. Vita Barley Pro tablets. Sa lahat ng Dr. Vita Barley products, talagang paborito ko ang Dr. Vita Barley Pro double layered tablets dahil sa kanyang advanced formulation na may slow and fast release. Para covered ka ng mga benefits niya the whole day. Perfect para sa laging on the go. At tignan nyo naman itong premium Chantal flask. Perfect gamitin sa pag-inom mo anywhere, anytime ng barley araw-araw. Stylish na, health body mo pa. Ito talaga ang perfect 60-day health challenge. Bakit perfect? Dahil sapat ito para sa iyong 2-month barley-powered lifestyle sa pinagsamang Dr. Vita Barley Powder at Dr. Vita Barley Pro. Panalo ka sa mas malakas na immune system, mas maayos na pagdumi, normal blood sugar at cholesterol, at syempre, for your overall wellness. Kaya mga ka-healthy, kung gusto mong simulan ang journey mo sa mas malusog na katawan, ito na ang sign mo. Grab your Dr. Vita Barley 60-Day Challenge PR Kit at sabay-sabay nating i-level up ang ating kalusugan.